Hello, I'm Ben Nugent, Application Specialist at TSI, and today I have the pleasure of showcasing our FMS web client for you. FMS is a proven environmental monitoring software package, reliably serving cleanroom manufacturing for many years. Recently, TSI launched the FMS web client to remotely access FMS monitoring systems. FMS Web Client is a new product that allows access to real-time FMS data from anywhere in the world, from any device. Web Client can be viewed on any device with an internet browser. Laptops, smartphone, and tablets allow users to monitor their process whenever and wherever they want. When using a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, the layout will change based on your device. Active Directory integration allows users to securely log into the web client and view real-time environmental monitoring data. Customizable user permissions give your entire workforce the appropriate level of access. Web client is organized as follows. The main landing page lists all of your sample points. Charts allows you to view all your sample points in a graph for a specified period of time. Floor plan lets you view real-time, updated map of your factory. Alarms give you a current list of active alarms and the ability to acknowledge them. And finally, settings is where you configure your dashboard, layout, and floor plan. Thank you for taking the time to view this video series on the FMS web client. Other videos are linked in the product description. If you have any questions, please visit tsi.com to get connected to a local representative. In the next video, I will go over the dashboard in greater detail. I hope to see you there.